Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm going to do the second week of January's savings challenges today, and I'm going to start with the ones that I was using last year. I've got £150 to stuff, got £10 in coins. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 10, 20, 30, 40, plus £10. How are you today? Hope you're all good. I've been doing okay, not bad. Weather's freezing cold in the UK. Absolutely freezing cold, and I've got my heating on. I just go out for brisk walks with Archie. He's my Maltipoo, and we're back indoors. I'm going to start with the 3-month challenge, and I'm going to put 15. So the boxes I have finish is 30, 45 and 60s, but I'm going to half the 30 box because I'm trying to spread the money. I want to share it. That's 15. I don't have any internet at the moment. I had to borrow my neighbour's Wi-Fi, and that's just really to post my video because I record on my Canon camera, but the editing is fine because I'll just do that on the laptop. But for me to upload it, I have to have internet, so I borrowed my neighbour's Wi-Fi, her password. She was very kind enough to do that for me. Otherwise I would not be getting a video done. Apparently Sky said that it could be between 1 and 5 days before an engineer can come out and have a look. I mean, it's absurd, but what can you do? I'm just looking for purple here, and I'm going to put £10 in my Sagittarius today. I'll do some more stars. So the planet and stars are £5. I've coloured in 2 stars for £10. The symbols are 15, the woman is 20, the letters are 10. That's going in there. And then the luck of the draw. I have my cards. Let's see what we pull out today. Nine of clubs, so that will be £10. I've marked off the clubs already. I'll put that in the pouch. That won't be used again. And there's not much cards left now. Pulled out, well, there is still quite a few, but I have used up quite a few. That's what I've used so far. Right, let me see if I can split up some of this money, see if I've got some tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 20, 40. Roll the dice. And I use an orange and green for this one. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. 5 and 1. £6. We'll roll again. 6 and 4. Ooh, 10. Great. Let's do a 6. That's 10. Lovely. Double the savings challenge. We will roll the green dice today. Come on, give me a 6. Can I get a 6? 1. So I saved £2. It is really handy though. I really like this. It's just sort of like some extra change for me to save, especially in the coins. I've got the jar full of coins that I've not done anything with as yet. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I need to count it up really and put it in the bank. That's what I need to do. So that one's all done. And then we'll go on to, I do have some rollover that I may use for my 2023. Let me take it out just in case. Let's see what I've got for rollover. I've got 20, 40, 50, 55. Got £63. Put this one aside. And we've got January challenge. I'm going to put £15 in. I think I might need some. Let's change up a 20. Okay, what have we got here? What? Yeah, great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. And that's going in the rolled dice. Okay, so we've got this one now. What did I use? Aqua I did last time. Let's use this blue. So I'm going to put 15, 5, 10, 15. So I decided to do the gold for £50 at £5 a pop, but I did this one at 20 last week. So it's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65 I'll get in total once it's finished. So 15. The more the merrier, right? Then I have, I'm going to come back to my 2023 and I'll do this little calf saved 200, and I'm going to put £10. I'll do her in yellow. And on completion it will be 200. Did I say that? I think I did already. We have the 52-week challenge. I'm going to put £10. Right. So let's see what we've got for 2023. We've got 20, 40, 50, 55. Let's do 55. Lovely. Perfect. I did want to start tackling the 50s on this as well, so it's worked out perfect. And I still have rollover, just in case, you know, don't know what's gonna happen for next week. I might overspend and may not have enough money to stuff, but at least I've got that, and I'm chuffed over the moon. Right, so those two are finished stuffing. So what did we have here? 63, 20, 40, 50. My battery went while I was recording. I think I was telling you about the rollover. I've got £70 here in the rollover. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 15, 20, yep, and 50, yep, £70. Just in case I might overspend next week on shopping or anything like that, at least I've got something to back up. So that's it. After all my bills have been paid, I have to juggle everything around that, and some of the bills have been paid already. Whatever's left over, I use it for my savings challenges. If that's something that you're interested in or you like, then please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.